Grab the storage bag with the power cable, locate the hex key and set it apart. Remove the black case. Followed by the lens cover. Connect the power cable to a power plug and switch on the device. Use the hex key to remove the screw on the upper part of the M case. Carefully remove the M case's lid and adjust the lens. Connect to the same Wi-Fi network as the MK device. Open a web browser and on the address search box write the following sequence: 192.168.12.1:8080. Then the web manager page will open up. Search through the library of content to select the one that will serve as a background. After you click on it, the MK device should project it. On the bottom right of the page, click on the menu icon and then click on the Settings tab. After the pop-up window appears, click on the Mesh Warp button. Switch on the Edit Inverted Mask and the Show Inverted Mask buttons. The guidance lines should now be projected by the MK device. Adjust the orientation to your preferences. We recommend users place the grid in the center of the room. Enjoy the immersive experience.